나는 정말 예쁘다. What does this sentence mean? If you've noticed, the word in red letter is yeppeuda. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word yeppeuda. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 138. Yeppeuda. Yeppeuda. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ye, the second syllable is p, the third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Yeppeuda. The word yeppeuda is an adjective, and this is used to describe someone or something as pretty. How do we spell yeppeuda in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ye in Hangul, we need to draw first an iyon character, followed by a ye character. For the second syllable p, we need to draw first a sang biyep or a double biyep character, followed by an character. For the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character, followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word yeppeuda. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word yeppeuda, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I'm really pretty. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 정말 예쁘다. Again, 나는 정말 예쁘다. The first part of the sentence is the subject, which is 나는. Na means I, and nun is just a subject particle added to na. The second part of the sentence is 정말. It means really. The third part of the sentence is our word for today, which is yeppeuda, and we already know that it means pretty. And therefore, if these three words would be combined, it would result to a sentence that means I'm really pretty. So, looking back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 나는 정말 예쁘다 is simply I'm really pretty. And with that, you've just learned yeppeuda. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 128 to 137. But don't forget our word for today, word number 138, yeppeuda. This is an adjective, which means pretty. Word number 137 is 배고파. This is an adjective, which means I'm hungry. Word number 136 is 이렇게. This is an adverb, which is used to indicate that an action should be done like this or this way. Word number 135 is 혹시, and this is used to inquire and say, perhaps, or by any chance. Word number 134 is 가족. This is the Korean noun for family. Word number 133 is 아빠, and this is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is 엄마, and this is the Korean noun for mom. Word number 131 is 놀다. This is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is 아파요, and this is a semi-formal way or a casual way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is 잘 자요, and this is a standard way of saying sleep well or good night. And the last for our review is word number 128, 우리. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.